Students at Pasadena Independent Schools District have two relatively new options to prepare for their future careers. In Pasadena ISD, the mentality that students won't make it to college because of lack of money or a lack of understanding about how to pursue a college education presents a roadblock. To deal with this, the South Houston High School just opened its early college high school building this year. ECHS allows students to get a free 2-year college degree while getting their high school diploma.
I think this is a great program because it specifically targets students who are at risk for never going to college. We also try to recruit students who are underrepresented at 4 universities, students that are minority students, low socioeconomic students, first-generation college goers, and we try to offer as much support as we can so that they persist and get their college degree.
ECHS freshmen and sophomores take their core college classes at South Houston campus. They attend their junior and senior courses at San Jacinto College. All students have to apply by the end of their 8th grade year. While ECHS is for students who are on a 4-year college pathway, not everyone wants to take an academic track. That's where the Career and Technology High School comes in. Senior Mia De Leon is in the Emergency Medical Team pathway at CTHS. Once she graduates in May, she will finish with a BLS certification and a CPR license, qualifying her for EMT jobs.
I'm not gonna lie, the workload is heavy, but it's for something that you want to do in the future, so it's all gonna like pay off in the end.
CTHS helps prepare students for jobs that are relevant to the community, such as health professions, maritime, cosmetology, criminal justice, engineering, and others. Zeke Garcia is a business partner liaison at CTHS and helps connect the school's programs with local industries.
We had kids that were going out for internships and getting jobs as soon as they graduated, and that happened quite a bit. So we had lots of students that were prepared to go right into industry.
Max Delgado, senior at CTHS, expresses how CTHS opens doors and opportunities compared to other schools.
Get something done that I usually couldn't do at home, such as special licensing, as operating a vessel, or even the $1 million simulator we have in our room.
It takes time. It's not something that's going to happen in just a year. The education and training that you're doing here, along with the on-the-job training we're going to give them, is going to help us build a productive workforce.